It's so insignificant, it's so small, that when you spend all your time selfishly worrying about, oh, I want my first 3, I want 4K in here, you're missing the key point of going into business. Hey guys, Spencer Williams here, and I'm back with another lesson on short-sightedness in business. Guys, I got a lot of clients right now who are very short-sighted, and guys, this is a big problem for people coming into business. You know, everybody who I'm talking to is so worried about making their first 3 to 5 clients, making their first 3 to 4K, getting their first this, getting their first that. And again, guys, like, same thing with the value videos, that's why you're not able to get them. You're so worried about what you want. I want 3 to 4K, I want my first couple clients. Stop worrying about that, because getting your first 3 to 4K, getting your first 3 to 5 clients is not difficult, and it's also not really going to do anything for you in the long term. It's so insignificant, it's so small, that when you spend all your time selfishly worrying about, oh, I want my first 3, I want 4K in here, you're missing the key point of going into business, which is to provide value for other people, to solve their problems, to help them get to where they want to be. And in order to do that, you need skills, guys. So many people get so short-sighted. You need to think bigger and you need to think longer. You need to start thinking not about your first 3 to 5 clients, not about 3 to 4K. You need to be thinking, how can I solve problems on a very large scale? How can I solve 30 people's problems all at once? Guys, you can't be thinking about your first 3 to 4 clients, because just as quick as you get them, you're going to lose them. Just as quick as you make your first 3 to 4K, it's also going to be gone. 3 to 4K is extremely insignificant, and it's not actually doing anything for anybody in the long run. You need to be thinking bigger, and you need to be disciplined enough to take a step back and say, okay, I'm not worried about my first 3 to 4K, because I want to get the skills, and I want to build a company, and I want to build something that's truly valuable so that I can get my first 3,000 to 5,000 clients. Guys, I want to solve problems for 3,000 to 5,000 people. That's what you need to be thinking of, is not about how can I get my first 3 to 5 clients, because that's doing nothing for nobody, and just as quick as you get them, you're going to want more. So I'm telling you guys, take a step back, focus on what do I need to learn, what type of stuff do I need to do, so that when I bring my product and my business to the marketplace, I'm not worried about 3 to 5 clients. What I'm worried about as soon as I bring it to the marketplace is how can I get this in the hands of 3,000 to 5,000 people, because this is a very good quality product. People are going to get very good quality results, and I know that they need it. That's what you need to be focused on, is the other people, your customers, who you want to help. Because that's what's going to allow you to be successful. Not guys, becoming super good at getting your first 3 to 5 clients is literally not going to do anything for you. Stop worrying about the first 3 to 5 people and worry about 300,000 to 500,000 people. It's a different level of thinking. It's bigger and it's longer term. And if you truly want to benefit from your business and then help the world benefit, you can't be thinking on small scales like that. You're going to end up being selfish, greedy, you're going to cut corners, you're not going to finish things how they should be done. Focus on the big picture. Focus on solving problems, bridging gaps, and providing value to a massive amount of people, not on how can I get my first 3 to 4K, and I promise you your business is going to work much better. There's so many more people in the world than just 3 to 5. You know, and when you're focused on the 3 to 5, you're never going to be able to help more. Guys, it's literally ridiculous when you start to focus on your 3 to 5 clients, because then what you're going to do is worry about speed. You're going to put quality aside and worry about speed, because all you want is your first 3 to 5 clients and your first 3 to 4K in business. Guys, you need to put speed aside and worry about quality for now. Once you have a quality business, a quality offer, and very quality skills, a skill set, then worry about speed. Because then when you worry about speed, you're going to be able to scale big, you're going to be able to make a lot more money, and you're going to be able to help more people, and you're going to be able to build a sustainable business. But don't put quality aside because you're worried about you right now. It's the biggest risk that you can make, is having short-sightedness in your business. Because when you're just worried about 3 to 5 clients, you take actions that'll get you your first 3 to 5 clients, and then after you get your first 3 to 5, what do you have left for the next 5 to 10? Or for the next 30 to 50? or for the next 3,000 to 5,000 because you just worried on putting the bare minimum in place so that you could get your first 3 to 5 people in the door and stroke your ego a little bit. Guys, forget about that. That's not how the best businesses in the world are built. Watch the Facebook documentary. They didn't even monetize Facebook until they had hundreds of thousands of users. Guys, don't worry about the money up front. Worry about making a difference and large scales and business quality. Then worry about speed, and I promise it will be much, much better.